Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional group. The structure CH2 is equal to C, Me, C is equal to O, dash OC2H5 contains an ester group, C is equal to O, dash OC2H5, so the parent name ends in ot and the alcohol portion is ethyl. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain. The acid portion is CH2 is equal to C, Me, C is equal to O, O, which contains 3 carbons, propanoate backbone, with a double bond. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. For the acid ester, the carbonyl carbon is C1. So, C1 is the carbonyl carbon, C2 bears the methyl group, and C3 is the terminal is equal to CH2. And for the final step, locate the double bond. The double bond is between C2 and C3 giving prop 2 anode. Name the substituent. There is a methyl group at C2 giving to methyl. Combine. The full name is ethyl 2 methyl prop 2 anode. Why other options fail? B. Prop 1 anode would place the double bond between C1 and C2, but C1 is the carbonyl carbon, so a double bond there is not possible in an ester context. C. Anone implies a ketone carbonyl, but this is an ester, not a ketone. D. Anal implies an aldehyde, which this is not. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.